Today we'll be showing you how to build the Nojata Sunbed. With your Nojata Sunbed kit you will receive 2 legs, a pair of wheels, a detachable drinks tray and 6 torque head screws. With the legs, make sure that the marked side goes inwards, slide down the beveled batten before offering up the screws. Make sure that it notches firmly against everything it touches. Screw in the couple of screws that you have, but make sure not to over tighten them, particularly with electric screwdrivers, as they can crush in very easily. Now we move to the wheel end. The axle will need to be removed. When offering up the wheels, make sure the plastic washers are pinched between the beam and the wheel. Do each end and ensure that the axle screw holes with their bevels are facing upwards and that the end of the axle is flush with the beam. Do the same the other side. That's all there is to this part of the process. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So that's the Nojata finished. All you need to do now, place the tray where you want it, and then lay back and relax.